If you open chart for the first time, it can look confusing and overwhelming. You see candlestick moving everywhere. You have different color. You have different time frame. But once you understand how charts work, reading the market is going to be much more easy for you. So in this video, I'm going to explain the different type of charts we have in the forex market, why candlestick are the most important, and how time frame work from 1 minute to monthly charts. What is charts? A forex chart is simply visual representation of price movements in the market. So instead of just looking at random number, so charts can help you to see. So charts can help trader to see what price is doing over time. So that is what chart is. And chart also help traders to identify trend to help you to spot the buy and sell opportunity, to help you to understand the market direction. So and you will be able to make market decision based off that. And we have different type of charts in the forex market. So, but we are going to be talking about line chart, bar chart, and candlestick. So, what is line charts? So, a line chart connects closing price together using just a single line, and it can give you a trader a view of the direction of the market. So, you see that you just have a line on your chart, which means the price, this particular line chart have already connect the open price and the closing price of the market together, and just in a line. So and this can actually help you to identify a trend. Maybe price is going up or price is going down. It can help you to identify that, and it can also help you to reduce noise, because on other charts you can have a projection and all sort of things, but on this particular line chart it has already clear everything for you. You see everything clearly here without any noise. And with line chart you can also mark a key level. It can help you to spot a key level faster. So that's that. But the disadvantage this particular line chart have is that you cannot see the open of the price, you cannot see the close of the price, you cannot see the low of a price. Maybe 1 hour chart, or 15 minutes, cannot see the open and close of those things. So that's just the disadvantage of line charts. So and the other one that we have now is bar charts. A bar chart, this is bar charts. So this is bar charts. But on your own charts, you will only see maybe candlestick or line chart at the top here. The reason I have the three marked here is because I have already started them. That's the reason why I have them here. So, but this bar charts, just click on this drop down menu here. You will see this bar charts. So just click on the bar charts. So once you click on the bar chart, this is how bar charts look like. So, but this bar chart gives you more information than line charts, because on this bar charts now you can see the open of a price. So let's take this one for example. So this is the open of the price. This is the lowest price gets to. This is the highest price gets to, and this is the closing price. So this one gives you more information than line charts. So why the candlestick, which is the major one we are using in the major one you will see on every trader's charts. So this is candlestick. So candlestick charts are most popular just because that is what trader use mostly around the world. So and why do trader use this? And the reason now is because it's going to give you clear price action. Candlestick give us more clear price action, because if you see line charts, you see that it doesn't give us a clear distance here. You only have a line, and this bar charts here it's more better than the line charts. Why candlestick is much more better than the bar charts? So it gives us a clear price action. and you can see the momentum of the price clearly here, which is the movement of the price. Our price move aggressively to the upside. You see the body, and so candlestick give us more details about the markets than other type of charts. And each candle show us a four most important details in every price, which is the four parameters of price. It's going to show you the open price. I normally call them OHLC so that you will be able to remember OHLC, OHLC, LC. So that is the four parameters of price. So the O stand for open, Y the H stand for I, and the L stand for low, YC stand for close. So now let's check a candlestick, for example. So if we check this big candle, we take it for example now. So every candlestick is going to have these four parameters. So the O stand for the open. So this is the open price here. This is the open price. This level here is the open price. Okay, let me just draw a chart so you can get it better. So every candlestick has these four parameters. The open price is here. So we have open, we have this is the low, we have close, why we have this is the close, why we have I is the highest level price gets to. So this is the four parameters of price, and the color doesn't really matter because most time trader can use different color they like. But how can you differentiate a bullish candle and a bearish candle? So you can differentiate this by just these four parameters of price. So this particular one here is a bullish candle. So because we have this open price, but when price open here, it's come this lowest this lowest point price gets to during this particular candle when it was forming. So price go up. This is the highest point it gets to, but it's later closed here. So which means price open below and it's closed higher. And in that case, price go up. So that is bullish market condition. That is bullish. So that is bullish candle. So even if I use the same color for my chart, I will still be able to differentiate the bullish candle and the bearish candle. But the color will help you to identify them much more faster without you trying to check the parameters of price. So that is just what the color means. Doesn't really the trader can decide to use any color they like. So for the bearish candle, we're going to have the open at the top. So this is the open. This is the highest the price gets to. I don't know why this thing is like this. So this is the highest, and this is the close. See, so this is the close. Why this is the lowest price gets to. This is the low. So every price have these four parameters. Every candlestick have these four parameters of price. So that is how you can differentiate the bullish candle and the bearish candle. So the color doesn't really matter. You can decide to use any color of your choice. But the main color, the default color for every for price is just red and green. And green always signify the bullish candle, while the red always signify the bearish candle when price is dropping. but you can decide to use any color of your choice. So you see the color I use here. So this is a bullish candle. Why this black one here is a bearish candle, you can see. So in just a simple terms, a bullish candle close higher, it's open lower and close higher. Why the bearish candle open higher and it's close lower. So that is the fastest way you can know a bearish and a bullish candle. So why this is what we call the body of the candle. This body that you can see here is what we know as the body of the candle. So this is the body of the candle. And another thing candlestick can help you is it can help you to identify a reversal pattern. We have different type of candle pattern, reversal pattern. We have a continuation candlestick pattern. So we have different kind of candlestick pattern. So that is what we have for the candlestick and time frame. So if I just show you my chart like this, that's showing the time frame, you cannot really know which time frame we are currently. But currently, if you want to check, you just have to check the time frame. So and according to what we have here, you see this H4. So which means currently we are on H4 time frame, which is 4 hours. And that literally means that every candlestick you can see on this chart is take 4 hours to form for every single candle. So now let's go back. And if you check, you see that we have different time frame here. We have 1 minute, we have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So we have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 12 hours, 12 months. So, but what it actually means is that let's say we go on 1 hour, 1 minute time frame now. So it means that every single candle you can see on my chart now is take 1 minute to form. So which means after every 1 minute, another candle is going to be formed. So let's go on 5 minutes. Can you see? So now, which means we are going to have 1 minute charts in every 5 minutes charts. And if we go on 15 minutes, we have 5 minute charts in 15 minutes. If we go on 30 minutes, we have 2 30 minutes, 2 15 minutes inside one 30 minutes candle. So that is how it was. So let's say we go on daily time frame now. So which means this is every single candle that we have here, it take 1 day to form. 1 day to form. So that's about time frame. Any time frame, just switch to, just know that that is the actual time that it take every single candle to form. So and the kind of trade that you have is going to determine the time frame you are going to trade with. So as a scalper, you can work with maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But as a day trader, you can work with maybe 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily time frame. And as a swing trader, you want to trade more of higher time frame, like 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly time frame. So that is how it was. There's the time frame, longer it's going to take for that specific time frame. The longer it's going to take for that trade to play out. Let's say you have a trade on monthly time frame now. You know that every single candle is going to it's going to take one month to form. So definitely it's going to take longer than someone that's trade on maybe 15 minutes or daily time frame. So that is that about time frame. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you have not joined the Telegram community. You see the link in the description below. Click on the link and join. And if you have any topic or anything you want me to explain more about, you can just drop the comments below, and I'm going to check.